everyone, I am Dr. Mallika Joshi and today we are going to talk about period kit. Now what is a period kit? It is actually collection of all those things that you might need during your periods. This period kit is especially important for school or college going girls. Every girl should have this period kit to avoid the hassle during periods in case of staining of knickers or when it is first day of the period and you are not prepared. Now what does this period kit consist of? It consists of a sanitary pad or tampon or a menstrual cup, whatever you usually use during your periods. Second, it consists of a spare knicker in case of staining. Third, it consists of a plastic disposable bag to put your stained knicker or a used pad in. Fourth, a panty liner to avoid staining of your clothes. Fifth, intimate wipes to clean the genital area thoroughly. Sixth, hand sanitizer in case there is no facility to wash hands. Seventh, some tissue papers to clean your hands. Eighth, medicines to relieve menstrual cramps. And last, a bag to hold everything in place. Next time, make sure that you carry a period kit to make those 5 days a soothing experience. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can ask me on my Instagram handle, or if you want to teleconsult me or video consult me, then the link is given in the description box. Till then, take care, thank you and have a happy period.